Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the 2 times table worksheet and will talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the 2 times table worksheet. So let's start with question 1. Use the number pieces to complete the calculation. So I have a missing calculation here, and I know I am counting in 2s as each number piece shows 2. I need to work out how many groups of 2 there are to find my first missing number. So let's see how many groups there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 groups of 2. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 groups of 2. Now, 6 multiplied by 2 is my calculation. I need to count in 2s to work out the answer. So let's count up in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 is my answer. Question 2. Jacob is using a bar model to solve the calculation 9 multiplied by 2. Okay, is he correct? So if he's solving 9 multiplied by 2, he should have 9 lots of 2 on his bar model, or 9 groups of 2. So let's first count up to check he has the correct amount of groups, and he needs 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, he does. Now, he's written the answer as 19. Let's count in 2s to check whether he is correct. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oh, but he's written 19. The answer is 18, so he is incorrect. Okay, the next question. Match each calculation to its answer. We've got the calculations down the side and the answers at the other side. So here I need to count jumps of 2 to work out the answers. You could count on in your head, use a number line, or draw pictures to help you. I'm going to work these out in my head. So the first one is 5 times 2. I need to do 5 jumps of 2. So I'm going to count these out loud. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And let's do the next one. 2 times 10, 2 multiplied by 10, or 10 jumps of 2. So I'm going to do 10 jumps of 2 out loud. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I did 10 jumps of 2 and I ended up on 20. The next one, 12 multiplied by 2. I could count on again from the start, or I could just count on 2 more jumps from my last answer, because 2 more than 10 is 12. So I was on 20 and I need to do 2 more jumps. So 20, 22, 24. And now for my final one, 2 times 8, or 2 jumps of 8, or 8 groups of 2. So I'm going to do 8 jumps of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I did 8 jumps of 2 and ended up on 16. So now I've matched them all together. Question 4. Find the missing numbers. So for A, we have a bar model and we need to count in 2s to find the answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 is my answer. For B, we've got a missing number track. So we've got 8, 12, 16. So we need to count on in 2s. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That completes the track, which is counting forward in 2s. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Moving on to question 5 then. There are 2 balls in a box, and Ruby says I have 11 boxes, so I have 22 balls. Is Ruby correct? Explain why. So Ruby thinks she has 11 boxes, so 11 groups of 2. Let's count the groups on her bar model to check that she has 11 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, she does. So she's got 11 groups of 2. Now, for her answer, she thinks that the answer is 22. Well, let's count on in 2s to check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. She is correct because 11 multiplied by 2 is 22. Question 6. Layla and Noel each buy some sweets. Layla, I have 2 packets of 9 sweets. Noel, I have 12 packets of 2 sweets. Who has the most sweets? Well, Layla has 2 packs of 9 sweets, 2 groups of 9. So that's going to be 2 times 9, but remember it can also be 9 times 2, 2 groups of 9 or 9 groups of 2. So to work out the answer, we're going to do 9 jumps of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Layla has 18 sweets. Now for Noel, he has 12 packs of 2 sweets, or 12 groups of 2. 12 multiplied by 2. And remember, it can also be 2 groups of 12 as well. Okay, to work out the answer, we can count 12 jumps of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. He has 24. So, who has more then? Noel has the most because 24 is greater than 18. Okay, question 7. Use the digit cards below to complete the calculations. You can use the cards more than once and find 2 possibilities. So, the answers to these calculations are 2-digit numbers, which means the number we put in the first box should always be more than 5, because 5 times 2, or 5 multiplied by 2, makes 10, which is a 2-digit number. Any number greater than 5 in our first box will give us a 2-digit number. So looking at the numbers we have, looking for one that is greater than 5, we could start with 6. 6 times 2, or 6 groups of 2. So I'm going to count my jumps, 6 jumps of 2, to work out the answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So for 12, I need 1 10 and 2 1s. I've got a 10, but I've not got a 2. So that is not a calculation that works. Let's try a different one. Remember, I need to find 2 possibilities. So let's do 7 times 2, or 7 jumps of 2. And let's count on 7 jumps of 2 to work out the answer. Again, you could use a number line or draw groups. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 1 10 and 4 1s. I have both of those numbers, so I can write 14. Okay, let's pick another one. I'm going to do 8 times 2. 8 jumps of 2 then. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So that's 1 10 and 6 1s, and I have both of those digits to make my answer, which is 16.
That was the answer explanation video for the 2 times table worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.